The first time you open Asset Lab, this is the screen you get. Two keys unlock it, and both stay on your Mac. One is your license from your Gumroad receipt. The other is your own fal.ai key. That's the account that actually runs the models, and you pay it directly. Start with the license. It's in your Gumroad receipt. Paste it straight in. If it arrives with odd dashes or invisible characters from a chat app, Asset Lab cleans those up for you. Underneath goes your fal.ai key. Already have one? Paste it and you're finished. No key yet? Click here, and the app walks you through it. fal.ai opens in your web browser. Sign in or make a free account, then click Add Key. This next part matters. In the Scope dropdown, switch from API to Admin. An admin key is the only kind that can show your credit balance inside the app. The moment you hit copy, the key lands here by itself. You never have to paste it. Then, unlock the studio. That's it. Your fal.ai balance shows up top, and you're ready to generate. Both keys live in settings if you ever need to change them. Next up, a tour of the whole interface.